December 24th, 95.
Laisse maman attacher ton soulier, Coco, ici. Laisse maman attacher ton soulier.
Patience, patience, patience. All this shit.
Thank you, Edward.
Oh, you're welcome.
So how many hours you got into this thing?
How many hours have I got in here? Oh, probably about 12 hours already.
That's not too bad.
He's filming me, making a table. Bob Vila. Pretty well done. I think this is pretty well done. Here. I gotta meet his woman yet.
Oh, she's not very nice, Edward. No, c'est crotti, crotti, crotti. Au revoir, papa. Au revoir, papa. Vas-y. Viens, Rams. C'est beau, hein?
So I'm thinking about this big party we're gonna have next year.
Yeah.
It's gonna be big. I bet you we'll get over 100 people.
Yeah? What, for the summertime?
Yep. Because everybody knows this
Well,
place
you
now.
should make it your birthday party.
Well, try to find a week when nobody's going away and stuff like that. I'll see if I can get Stacy and Andrew and get Rick and Jennifer here with their guitars.
So what are you doing tonight?
Just like when we were going across.
Yeah, never mind.
He has been